I think Delaware is a data expert because we understand that data is a people thing. It's about collaborating on top of data. We listen to people, we collaborate with people, we are able to talk with them on a functional level, on technical level, and this helps us understand them, but it also means that they understand us better and what we are doing for them.
I think everyone is currently talking about AI and Gen AI, but it will be a challenge to really decide which use cases are the most valuable for which customer. So I think we can help customers in guiding them in which use case they should invest and in which not.
Yeah, I think how we can really make the difference as a data and AI partner is thinking along with the customer, and is thinking about how can we pragmatically solve a problem in a way that really works for the company based on the current challenges the company is facing. So I think that's really what makes us different.
So we participated in the Data Maturity Award because we saw this as a learning opportunity. And that's mainly because there's a rigorous assessment behind the award, something we could learn from.
So all three cases were quite impressive, but the winner really brought data into the boardroom, brought insights to the management to really make data-driven decisions. That's what made them the winner.
It means a lot for us to win the award. It's a big honor and it's also a nice recognition. It inspires us to keep pushing boundaries.